Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to Windows Fixer. Today we are tackling an annoying issue, Discord not loading or being stuck on a gray screen. So this can happen for a variety of reasons like unstable internet, corrupted cache or cookies, proxy or VPN interference, strict firewall or antivirus settings, outdated apps or browser, or even DNS misconfiguration. But no worries though, we will fix it step by step. The first thing you should check Discord server status. Let's make sure the issue isn't on Discord and head to the Discord status page. I will provide the link in the description and see if there's any maintenance or outage happening. Discord server status, and you will get this discordstatus.com. So that's how you can see, even though people will report over here. But right now it's working fine for me. Just close it. Now if their servers are fine, then it's likely an issue on your side. Let's try something quick that often solves such problems: restarting your devices. Restart might seem basic, but trust me, it fixes a lot of random issues. To do it, turn off your PC and restart your router as well as same time. Wait for about 10 seconds before turning them back on. But you are not stopping there. Once everything's back on, make sure open task manager first, like this, and then right click on your Discord and end task if it's running. Once it is done, just type here cmd, right click on it, run as administrator. Yes, now you need to type here a few commands. The first one is ipconfig/release, hit enter, and definitely it will disconnect your internet. Then again you need to type ipconfig/renew, hit enter, and this will again reconnect your internet. Again ipconfig/flush DNS, hit enter, it will remove any DNS. And then again ipconfig/register DNS, so it will be like registering new DNS from your router. Then type exit and hit enter. That's it. Now try to launch your Discord just like this. Okay, I did not close Discord from task manager, so it's still running. But in your case, you must need to like end task first and then apply the commands, and then you need to launch the task Discord. Right click on it, run as administrator, like this. This refreshes your network settings. If Discord still isn't loading, let's look into clearing its cache and cookies. Now sometimes old or corrupted cache data can interfere with Discord. Here's how to clear it. For web browser, once you browse in the browser that you use for Discord basically. Now in my case I use the Google Chrome. Not using Google Chrome, just sharing the method. Actually you need to go into the search history, and then you need to click here delete browsing data, and then you need to choose here the all time. I mean, it's your choice, but the best thing is all time. And then delete everything from your browser, just like renew your browser. And then you need to try to log in on the web browser. It will resolve the issue. But what's about the desktop application? Well, actually Windows plus R key, and then you need to type here the percentage app data percentage, and then hit enter. Once you are here, you need to find here the Discord, just shift and delete. But before deleting this, close your Discord from task manager and then click on yes. Once it is done, now again search for Discord, right click on it, run as administrator, and then yes, boom. This time it will re-update your Discord and will fix the problem. With the cache cleared, the next step is to make sure VPN or proxy settings are not interfering. Even though VPNs are great, they can sometimes cause conflicting with apps like Discord. Let's make sure there's no interference. And again, click on the Windows icon, go into the settings, and then network and internet. So basically whenever you are using any kind of VPN, you will be see here in the internet network, and then you will see here the IP assignment. Right now currently it's automatic DHCP, but when you are using something, maybe it's on manual, or maybe the name of the VPN that you are using at that time. So make sure set it to automatic, which makes sure that you are not using any proxy setting. And the another thing is you need to click on the Windows icon, then go into the internet options. Now go to the connection, then LAN settings, connections, LAN settings, and then what you need to do here, as you can see over here, uncheck everything except automatically detect settings. Like if you are using recently any proxy or something, you will see here like these settings. So check this one and uncheck these options, and then click on OK, and make sure there's no dial up. If there is, just select and then remove, hit apply and OK. Now that the VPN and proxies are ruled out, let's look at firewall and antivirus settings, which is step number 5. Third-party antivirus or strict firewall settings can sometimes block Discord. To test this, temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall. And basically the antivirus means if you are using any third-party antivirus, not the Windows Defender. Windows Defender is totally safe, but the method is just same. You need to find the virus and threat protection settings, and then you need to disable the real-time protections, right? And then you can also disable the other settings like firewall and network settings. Now once you are here, you will see here the public network is currently connected. Just click on that and make sure you can disable it from here. And once you disable this, now try to relaunch your Discord. First close it from here, from task manager, and then launch it again. If it's work, test the cause, then what you can do here, next step, enable this, and then you need to go into the one step back and then allow an app through firewall. Now first you need to find here the Discord. Just press D until you will get here the Discord. Now click on the change settings, and then you can see here the private and public. Currently we are using the public firewall, so make sure allow the firewall in both the public and the private, and then click on OK. That's it. And if it's not available, you can actually manually add change settings and then allow another app, then click on browse. Now it's kinda tough, you can say, to find the exact destination of Discord. What we are gonna do here, see users, that the user that currently you are using, and again you need to type here / app data, then go into the local Discord, open it. Now find the latest version and then open it, and you will see here the Discord. Just click on add, open it, and check the both option that I told you, and that's how it's work. If disabling them resolve the issue, you may need to add Discord as an exception in the settings. Also, I recommended sticking with Windows Defender if you don't need a fancy antivirus. It's lightweight and does not interfere with gaming. Okay, if your firewall is not the problem, then let's make sure your Discord or browser is up to date. Outdated versions of Discord or your browser can cause compatibility issues. Now there's two steps, guys. The first one, let's discuss first about browser. Open your browser, click on these three dots, go into the maybe help, and then about Google Chrome. And right now you can see it's Chrome is up to date, and if there's any available, it will be like automatically updating. So that's the Chrome. And now about Discord, sometimes your Discord updater extension is not running properly. So what you can do here, go into the properties, open file location, and you can see here this is the updater and this is the version that currently you are using, right? This is the older version, but once you are here, you can see here, just right click on it and run as administrator. It will scan and update, but sometimes it's not working. The another thing is you can use third-party uninstaller like iobit uninstaller or super erase data, try it for free, and you can use it to uninstall the Discord, and then you can re-download it from the official website. Basically, the reason behind the third-party uninstaller is not simply uninstalling the file, but also clear its root folders. When we are going with third-party uninstaller, I will show you. First, let's install it. Run now, and once you are here, you need to find the uninstaller section and then find your Discord. You can search here Discord, and it's over here. Just choose it and click on uninstall. Click on uninstall. Now it's not only uninstalling the Discord, but it will also uninstall the Discord root folders and registry files as well. See, deep clean, click on that. So now there's no configuration left in your PC related to the Discord. Click on delete, and that's it. Boom. Now you can simply update it. Discord, download, and then hit enter, go on the website, and then download it and then install it. Now it's downloading the updates 2, 3, 6, and so on. But if this method is still not working for you, then the last method is default DNS setting and sometimes be slow or unreliable. Switching to Google DNS is an easy fix, and after these solutions guys, hopefully your problem should be fixed. Just go into the settings and then network and internet once you are here, and then you will see the change of options, and then this is the more controlled way. So IP, we are going with the DNS. Choose here the 8888844, and then click on OK, close, and first time you need to disconnect and then relaunch, so it will work more better. And that's it guys. This will resolve the issue, but if you want an even easier solution, try using Cloudflare Warp, which is 1.1.1. It's free, fast, and work like a charm for improving connectivity. This tool mostly, even though I use, you can see it's over here. You can type here 1.1.1 and you need to download it for PC, and after downloading you will see here like this interface. Click on this setting icon and choose the second option and then click on connect. The upper one will change only the Cloudflare Warp DNS, and the lower one also like unlock all the paths for your network. So with the second option you can even though browse the restricted website, which is not a good option, but if you use it for good, definitely it's a benefit and it's free. I guess it's faster than others. That's it guys. I hope this guide helped you fix the Discord not loading issue. If you have any question, drop them in the comment. I would love to help. Don't forget to subscribe to Windows Fixer and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.